Hi everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library. Today we're going to do a fun STEM activity. We are going to make our own rockets using a straw, some tape, and a paper. So you can pick up your kit at the library. Let me show you what you're going to get and what you're going to need. So when you come to the library, the only things you're going to get in your kit is this PDF with instructions and a straw. You will also need scissors. You will need your own tape. Optional is a measuring stick, and if you want to have a piece of paper to record how far your rocket launches, that's optional. Oh, and you will also need a pencil. So I wanted to show you, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have your instructions up here, and down here it's going to have the parts you're going to cut out. You will cut along the scissor lines. I have actually already cut mine out to save a little bit of time. You don't need to see me cutting out pieces. So I have my rocket body already cut out. Looks like a rectangle. And I have my two ends all cut out, fins cut out. So we're actually I'm just gonna skip. I'm gonna skip number 1, and we're gonna go to step number 2. I already cut out my 2 fin units. So, I do need to go back to step number 1 because I did already cut out my rectangle, but this is where I have to wrap it around my pencil. This is where your pencil comes in handy. So you want to wrap it around so it forms a tube lengthwise, like this. So it might take a second to get it aligned right. So I'm having a little bit of trouble. This is a thicker pencil. So something like this. So it's around it like this. So this is where you need your tape. We're going to tape around. This is having a little bit of trouble here. So it might help to do one end and then the other, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape that up. And then I'm gonna roll this top part. It might help if you have a skinnier pencil. I think that's part of my problem. This rectangle is not the biggest rectangle, so. Okay, something like this. So, but you're gonna leave it in there. Now we have the end. I already cut out my fins. You can see, I cut them out already. So we're gonna put them on the back. We're going to bend, so you see this part, you're going to tape that part to one side of your tube. So I've got it, I'm going to hold it down and now I'm going to use my tape. And it is a little tricky, so don't feel bad if it takes you a second. So that's my one fin. Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so here's my fins, but I'm not done. The next thing I want to do is I want to bend them each so that they're at 90 degrees. So all that means is I'm going to take one, I'm going to fold it out, I'm going to take the next one, and then you kind of open it back up. So it kind of looks like this, but now what we're going to do is kind of open them up like this. So it looks something this angle, something like this. So they're kind of out at angles. They should form, when you look at the back, it should form like a plus mark. Which it kind of does. Okay. You know, I think I might have All right. So now I'm actually going to twist this top part around the tip. So I'm moving this so it's to the tip of the pencil, and you're going to twist it like this. Something like that. So now this is the part where it is ready to launch. So instead of the pencil, you're going to take your pencil out and you're going to feed your straw into the tube. It looks something like this. And when you blow into it, it should fly. So I'm going to give it a test really quickly. We're going to turn the camera. Here's my tester. So it's not working. So one of the things you can do is you want to try to really twist this end if it's not working. See that? So I twisted it a little bit tighter. Now let's try it again. There we go. I'm going to grab my rocket and we'll do it one more time. So, like I said, if it's not working, you want to make sure I have it really pointed, twist. You're going to feed your straw through the tube. There we go. And what's really fun about this activity is you could race your brother or sister if you both pick up a kit. You could, another reason for having the measuring tape or measuring stick is if you want to see how far you can send it. What you could do is try to mess with around with your design a little bit. See if you could tweak it and make it go farther. Like the first time you noticed that I had to twist my end more. So play around with it and have fun. I hope you enjoy this project. If you do, please let me know on Facebook or come on in and tell me. I hope you have a lot of fun, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.